Welcome to the GoalZero Toolbox Talk series. Today's Toolbox Talk: Eye safety. Our eyes are one of our greatest assets. They give us the ability to see the world around us. If we do not protect our eyes from injuries while at work, we could easily lose that ability. There are an estimated 2,000 eye injuries every single day on the job. We need to ask why these injuries are occurring. 3 out of 5 eye injuries, 60%, happened because the worker was not wearing any eye protection at the time of the accident. Of the remaining 40% of injured workers who were wearing some type of eye protection, the protection was the wrong kind and failed to protect adequately. The leading cause in these cases was the lack of side shields. Accident studies reveal that flying or falling objects and sparks are the cause of 70% of eye injuries, with most of the objects causing the injury being smaller than a pinhead. Also, nearly 20% of all eye injuries are caused by contact with chemicals. This includes splashing or chemicals being sprayed directly into the eye. It is important to eliminate or engineer the hazards that could pose hazards to our eyes at work. Many hazards to our eyes on a worksite cannot be fully eliminated, so proper eye protection is also critical. Common hazards that cause eye injuries on the job: flying dust, flying debris, chemicals, blunt trauma to the eye, burns due to UV exposure, such as welder's flash. Best practices to avoid injuries to the eyes. Identify all the potential eye hazards in your work area and for your specific work tasks. Ensure there are proper safeguards in place to prevent an eye injury. If there is a safeguard missing, stop the work task and correct the problem. Eliminate or lessen the chance of getting something into your eye by avoiding being in the line of fire. One quick example is standing upwind of debris or dust blowing around the work area. Always wear approved safety glasses, face shields, or goggles when needed. The type of PPE needed will depend on the work task. 3 out of every 5 victims of eye injuries on the job were not wearing any eye protection. Make sure that your eye protection fits properly and is clean. One of the leading reasons for workers removing or not wearing eye protection is that it did not fit properly. Another is that the lens became dirty, and they could not see what they were doing. Keep your safety glasses in good shape. Lenses can scratch, which makes them difficult to see through and is another reason why they might not be worn. Store them in an old sock before they are tossed into a tool chest or the seat of a vehicle. If you work out in the sun for any length of time, select glasses that have ultraviolet, UV, protection. If welding activities are going on, wear proper eye protection and ensure there is a protective barrier in place to protect other employees in the area from UV exposure. If you get something in your eye, do not rub or scratch it. Rubbing the eye can cause scratching of the cornea resulting in injury. Find an eye wash station or saline bottle to rinse out the object. If you get a chemical in your eyes, remove your contacts if there is any in and begin to rinse your eyes out. After rinsing, get to a hospital to have further treatment.